Today, I've got something truly remarkable to share with you. In the world of manifestation, there's a secret technique that was once exclusively revealed to Neville Goddard's most privileged clients. This method possesses the incredible potential to manifest substantial wealth, and we're talking about potentially millions of dollars, in an astonishingly short period. Neville Goddard's confidential wealth manifestation method is your golden ticket to prosperity. It's been concealed from the public eye, only accessible to a select few. But what if I told you that there's an undisclosed method capable of swiftly bringing a vast fortune into your life? A method with the power to materialize millions of dollars for you. Before I unveil this technique, I'd like to ask a small favor. Please support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing. Your support means the world to me and enables me to reach more individuals who can benefit from this profound knowledge. Your generosity and kindness are greatly appreciated. Prepare for a groundbreaking transformation. You're about to learn how to harness this secret to manifest money, wealth, love, and everything your heart yearns for. And the incredible part? Executed correctly, it happens in a remarkably short time. Today, I'm divulging the VIP technique for manifesting millions. Do you ever feel like life is just happening to you, and no matter how hard you try, things just don't seem to go your way? Well, what if I told you that there's a powerful force at work in our lives that we can use to our advantage? It's called the law of assumption, a principle that has been studied and written about for centuries. But what exactly is it, and how can we use it to get what we truly deserve? The law of assumption is one of the most powerful principles you can use to manifest your dreams. It is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, who taught that imagination creates reality. Let's break down what the law of assumption actually means. Essentially, it states that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. In simpler terms, what we assume to be true about ourselves and the world around us will ultimately become our truth. Think of your mind as a garden. Whatever seeds you plant in it, whether positive or negative thoughts, will grow into your reality. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough or that you'll never achieve your dreams, those thoughts will manifest into your reality. On the other hand, if you plant seeds of positivity and confidence, those will also grow and become your truth. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true, with conviction and feeling, will become your reality. It means that you can create any experience you desire by simply assuming that it is already yours. Neville Goddard said, "An assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact." This means that you do not need to worry about how your desire will come to pass, or whether it is possible or not. All you need to do is to assume that it is already done, and feel the joy and gratitude of having it. At the core of Goddard's teachings is the premise: assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This phrase encapsulates the fundamental principle of the law of assumption, not just visualizing desires but truly embodying the emotions and attitudes as if they are already a reality. The law of assumption is not just a philosophical concept, it has roots in neuroscience and psychology. The subconscious mind, a powerhouse of immense potential, constantly processes information, even when we are not consciously aware. Our assumptions shape our behavior, dictating decision-making processes and attracting outcomes in our lives. The placebo effect is a powerful example of the mind's influence on our physical health. Patients often show improvement in their condition when given a placebo, simply because they assume they're receiving a potent treatment. This demonstrates the incredible power our beliefs and assumptions wield over our well-being. How to use the law of assumption to manifest money and wealth. One of the most common desires that people have is to manifest more money and wealth. If you want to use the law of assumption to attract money and prosperity, here are some steps you can follow. 1. Define your desire. Be clear and specific about how much money you want to manifest, and what you want to use it for. For example, you can say, "I want to manifest $10,000 by the end of this month, to pay off my debts and go on a vacation." 2. Assume that it is already yours. Close your eyes and imagine that you have already received the money. See yourself holding the check, or looking at your bank account balance. Feel the relief and happiness of being debt-free and having extra cash to spend. Hear the congratulations and compliments from your friends and family. Smell the fresh air and the exotic food of your vacation destination. Taste the champagne and the delicious meals. Touch the soft sand and the warm water. Engage all your senses and make it as real as possible in your mind. 3. Persist in your assumption. Do not let any doubt or fear creep into your mind. Do not judge by appearances or let the external circumstances sway you from your assumption. Whenever you think of money, affirm to yourself, I have $10,000 in my bank account right now. Repeat this statement throughout the day, especially before going to sleep and after waking up. Feel the confidence and certainty of having it. 4. Act as if it is already yours. Align your thoughts, words and actions with your assumption. Do not say or do anything that contradicts your desired reality. For example, do not complain about lack of money, or avoid spending money on things that make you happy. Instead, express gratitude for the money you have, and enjoy spending it wisely and generously. Act like a wealthy person who knows that more money is always coming. 5. Let go and let God. Trust that your assumption will manifest in the perfect way and time. Do not worry about how or when it will happen, or whether you are doing it right or wrong. Just relax and let go of any attachment or desperation. Know that God is your source of supply, and that He will fulfill your desire in the best possible way. Neville Goddard's exercise for mastering the law of assumption. Neville Goddard taught a simple but powerful exercise for mastering the law of assumption. He called it the state akin to sleep, or SOTS for short. SOTS is a technique that involves entering a relaxed state of mind between wakefulness and sleep, where you can impress your subconscious mind with your desired assumption. Here is how to do it. Before going to bed at night, lie down comfortably on your back, with your eyes closed. Relax your body from head to toe, releasing any tension or stress. Breathe deeply and slowly, until you feel calm and peaceful. In this state, imagine a scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. For example, if you want to manifest money, you can imagine yourself counting a pile of cash, or receiving a check from someone. Make sure that the scene is short, simple and realistic. It should be something that could happen in real life, not something fantastical or exaggerated. Also, make sure that the scene is from a first-person perspective, meaning that you see it through your own eyes, not as an observer. Feel yourself in the scene as if it were happening right now. Feel the emotions and sensations associated with your desire. Use all your senses to make it vivid and lifelike. Repeat the scene over and over again in your mind, until it feels natural and real. Fall asleep while imagining the scene, or after imagining it. By doing this exercise every night before sleeping, you will impress your subconscious mind with your desired assumption, and it will manifest in your physical reality. How the law of assumption works. Consider the universe as an expanding field of energy. Every thought, assumption, or belief resonates at its unique vibrational frequency. This concept, often called vibrational frequency, asserts that like attracts like. The positive or negative energy we emit is linked to the experiences we attract, aligning ourselves with a specific frequency. Your assumptions act as the steering wheel of your life's vehicle, directing you towards the path you subconsciously believe you deserve. By acknowledging and understanding the influence of assumptions, you gain the opportunity to expand horizons and challenge limitations. Steps to master the law of assumption. Gain clarity of desire. Visualize with absolute clarity what you want to manifest in your life. Create vivid mental images and immerse yourself in the details. Align emotions with desires. Immerse yourself in the emotions of already having what you want. Use meditation, visualization, switch words and affirmations to connect with the desired reality emotionally. Live as if. Act, talk, and make decisions from the perspective of having already achieved your desire. Embody the characteristics and behaviors of the person who has realized those goals. Release doubts and fears. Acknowledge and overcome limiting beliefs through journaling, positive affirmations, and cognitive reframing. Cultivate gratitude. Develop a deep sense of gratitude for what you already have, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates the manifestation process. Consistency is key. Make these practices a part of your daily routine. Repetition reinforces new assumptions deep within your subconscious mind. Common mistakes and misunderstandings. Attachment to outcome. Let go of rigid expectations. Embrace uncertainty and trust that everything unfolds in divine timing. Neglecting action. Visualization and assumption alone do not manifest dreams. Take actionable steps aligned with your goals. Overloading desires. Focus on one desire at a time to foster clarity of intention, depth of belief, and consistency of action. Here are some tips to help you master the law of assumption. The law of assumption is a powerful tool that you can use to create any reality you desire. By assuming that your wish is already fulfilled, and feeling the joy and gratitude of having it, you will attract it into your life. Be clear and specific about what you want. The more precise you are, the easier it will be to assume it. Be consistent and persistent in your assumption. Do not let any doubt or fear stop you from feeling your wish fulfilled. Keep affirming and imagining it until it becomes your natural state of mind. Be detached and relaxed about the outcome. Do not obsess over the details or the timing of your manifestation. Trust that God will bring it to you in the best possible way and time. Be grateful and happy for what you have. Appreciate the money and wealth that you already have, and express gratitude for more coming your way. The more you thank God for His money and prosperity, the more He will give you. Be generous and helpful to others. Share your money and wealth with those who need it, and help them achieve their goals. The more you give, the more you will receive. By following these tips, you will master the law of assumption, and manifest money and wealth with ease and joy. There's no better time to start practicing the law of assumption than today. Begin by assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Your journey begins with that first step. Embrace the belief in your ability to manifest, hold on to positive assumptions, and witness the magnificent unfolding of the universe guiding you along the path to your dreams. Always remember, what you assume to be true today will be your reality tomorrow. The key to unlocking your limitless potential lies within the power of your assumptions. I hope this message was helpful and inspiring to you. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.